So we have a question to solve today, which is from Ahmed Bello University Zaria, from Faculty of Sciences, Department of Mathematics. This is a Math 105 differentiation. So we have two questions to solve today on the differentiation. But before we begin, I would love to explain what we mean by differentiation and the real life application. Differentiation is a key function in calculus. Differentiation simply involves finding the derivative of a given function. Simply, this is what differentiation is all about. The real-life application of differentiation includes it is used in engineering, for motion analysis, for optimizing systems, and also control system. In economics, differentiation is used to calculate marginal analysis and also to determine the rate of change of prices. In biology and medicine, differentiation is used to determine the growth rate, also for heart rate analysis. Climate change model is carried out as a result of differentiation. In business, differentiation is used to find the elasticity of demand. And also in business, differentiation is used in maximizing profits. That is to check for the optimal point where profits or cost is minimized. So these are some of the few applications of differentiation in real life. So let's go to the calculation aspect of this. So the question reads that let y is equals to cos theta and x is equals to sin theta. So we are asked to find the y, the x. This is an objective question with 4 options. We have to solve and check which of the option is the correct answer. So let's bring out the parameters that we have from the question. So let's begin the solution. So since y is equals to cos theta, so from here we are going to get the y, the theta is equals to minus sine theta. So let's move on to the next one, which is x. X is equals to sine theta. Okay, so from here we are going to get the x dot theta. This is going to be cos theta. So we have the y the theta and the x the theta. So for us to get the y the x as asked from the question, this is going to be the y the theta times the theta dx. Okay, so now let's substitute in what we have from here. This is equal to the y, the theta times, so the theta dx, we don't have it, but what we have is the theta dx. So this is the same as saying 1 over del x del theta. So let's substitute what we have. The y, the theta is what we have as minus sine theta multiplied by 1 over the x, the theta, that is going to be cos theta. So multiplying this, minus sine theta times 1 is minus sine theta over, then we have our cos theta. And we know that sine theta over cos theta gives us a value of tan theta. So here we have that the y, the x is going to be minus tan theta. And this is the final answer. So looking at the options, the correct option for this question is option C, which is minus tan theta. Okay. So let's move on to the next question, which says if y is equals to exponent raised to power 4x plus 1, then the y dx. So we're looking at this, we have 4 options we have to solve, which, and so looking at this question, we also have 4 options we have to solve and check which of the option is the correct answer. So let's begin. So we have that y is equals to e raised to the power of 4x plus 1. So from here, all we need to say is to make the power a particular letter. Let's say u. So let's say let u is equals to 4x plus 1. So here we find the u, the x. This is equals to the u, the x of 4x plus 1 is going to give us 4. Okay. So the next thing we need to do now is to say y is equals to, coming back to the expression given, we have e raised to the power of 4x plus 1 now will be substituted with u. So from here we find the y, the u, this is equals to, so the y, the u here is still going to be e raised to the power of u. So now for us to get the y, the x, is going to be the u, the x, times the y, the u. So all we need to do is to substitute in the values we have. So the u, the x is going to be 4 times the y, the u is going to be e raised to the power of u. Okay, so this is equals to 4e raised to the power of u. But remember that our u is equal to, just as we have here, So it's 4x plus 1. So we substitute it into this final answer. So it's going to be 4e raised to the power of 4x plus 1. So this is the value of the y, the x, and this is our final answer. That is 4 exponents raised to the power of 4x plus 1. So y equals to e raised to the power of 4x plus 1. The y, the x of it is 4e raised to the power of 4x plus 1 as the final answer. So let's look at the options we have. Looking at this from option A to D, this shows that the correct answer is option A. Okay, students, so viewers, this is all we have today under differentiation. Do not forget you can send in your questions from any of the university. I remain your pro guide, Aisha Bende. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.